Here's what's even more cool. I'm inside my house. I'm in the entryway. I've got the camera on, recording, rolling in the garage. And I'm hooked up wirelessly to the microphone. So I can make my entrance like this. What's up, YouTube? I'm kind of excited. And that's rare for me because it takes a lot to get me excited. You can try. You might be able to. But I've got this new Rode wireless microphone setup. And I've been playing with it for about 30 minutes maybe. And this is my idea for a run and gun microphone setup. And you're going, I kind of see it. Here it is. It's mounted to my hiking hat, safari hat. And I've got a lavalier mic going right here underneath the visor. And I've got the extra cord from the lav mic tucked behind here. Pretty cool. And I can do better. That's just my second attempt at this. This is really cool. You can do this on a baseball hat. What other type of hats? Oh, you know what? I could do this on my motorcycle helmet. I can do this. But actually on my motorcycle helmet, I probably don't need the lav mic. I could just clip the wireless go to the chin strap and that'd be fine. Anyways, run and gun. That's my idea. Pretty cool, huh? See ya. Hit thumbs up.